my name is Kristen. So today I will show you to our company to have a look our production line. Whenever lights fall, there are many street lights which light up our city. There are a lot of street lights available in the market, but do you know how they manufacture? If not, just get ready and get relaxed, because today I will show you to see how we produce our street lights. So let's go. So here is our workshop. Okay. So here is our SMT workshop. So here, normally we will SMT the LED chip for over 2,500 pieces per day.
Then move to the production line. First, install the waterproof connectors on the lamp body. Second, install and fix the photocell base. Third, install and fix the driver. And then apply glue on the Lysol ball. Last, the Lysol ball is ready to the lamp body and fix it. Before we completing the whole night, we will age the night for over 1 hour to test the lamp. After the test is successful, we will start to assemble the lamp body. Put on the cover and fix it. Install and fix the lamp holder. Label the wire and test the photocell sensors. Finally, it goes to the packing part.